Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and today I'm going to be showing you how to reset an app. Now you'd only do this really if, for example, you put some information in an app and you want to, it's the wrong information, or you want to start from the beginning when you downloaded the app. Then this is what you'd have to do. Before I forget, subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to go into the Galaxy Wearable app, and you can see that it goes straight into Samsung Gear Icon X. Now I have both the Icon X's and the Galaxy Buds. Now if I want to reset everything, there's one option to uninstall the Galaxy Wearable app and to reinstall it. There's an easy way to do this. So you can see that I've got both connected up there. So the first thing you need to do is close down the app. Then what you do is you go into the apps. So you go into settings, apps, start from the beginning here, and then you'll search for Wearable. Obviously you'll search for whatever app you want to reset. Once you're in here, you'll need to find an option called storage, which is here. Obviously you've got other options like mobile data and battery and stuff. Storage is what we want here. You'll find two options here: clear cache, which is the temporary data that the Galaxy Wearable app uses. This could be, and I'm not saying it is, but it could be things like, you know, when it knows to pair to a certain earphone. For example, the last time you used, I don't know, the Galaxy Buds or something, it could maybe automatically pair to that. Or you could do clear data. Clear data will erase every data that it has. For example, it won't remember the Galaxy Buds, it won't remember what settings I have attached to them, it won't remember anything to do with pairing them or anything like that. So it'll wipe everything completely to factory whenever you downloaded the particular app. Let me show you this in action. So for example, if I was to clear cache here, let me just show you that. Now if I was to go back into the Galaxy Buds, it still has the Galaxy Buds, but the temporary information that it used to have, this could be stuff like, you know, remembering to pair and automatically pairing and things like that, that won't exist anymore. So if I go into now clear data, it will give me a little note here to say that all of the application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts and databases, etc. So if I hit OK here, now the app, the Galaxy Wearable app, will start from the beginning. So you can see here it starts from the beginning, and then you just go through the normal whatever process. So I will have to go through the normal process now, pair my Galaxy Buds and my Icon X's back to this particular app, going through the wizard as normal, and basically if you made any errors when entering this information, or if it still is if an app is keeping the information that you've input by mistake, then you just go through this process and it should reset it back to the state as if you downloaded it. So that was just a quick look at how to reset an app. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.